Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Visa gift card online. First, it's crucial to activate your card before making any purchases. You'll typically find activation instructions on the card itself or its packaging. This usually involves visiting a specific website or calling a toll-free number. Once activated, ensure you know your card's balance to avoid declined transactions. This simple first step ensures a smooth shopping experience, allowing you to enjoy your gift card's value without any hitches. When you're ready to shop online, proceed to the checkout page of your chosen retailer. Look for the payment options and select Visa as your card type. You'll then need to enter the 16-digit card number found on the front of your gift card. Don't forget to input the expiration date and the 3-digit security code, often called the CVV, from the back. A key tip is to use your own billing address as the card's registration address for successful transactions. Sometimes, you might encounter issues when trying to use your gift card online. A common problem is a declined transaction due to insufficient funds, so always check your balance first. Another frequent issue arises if the billing address entered doesn't match the one associated with the card during activation. Remember, some online stores might have restrictions on gift card use for specific items or services. If you've tried these steps and still face difficulties, reaching out to the card's customer service is your best next move. To make the most of your Walmart Visa gift card, always keep track of your remaining balance. Many card issuers offer an online portal or phone number to check this easily. For purchases that are less than your card's balance, it's straightforward. For larger items, you can often combine your gift card with another payment method, like a credit card, to cover the full cost. Remember to treat your gift card like cash. Keep it in a safe place to prevent loss or unauthorized use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.